Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about some peaches and cream pigments that I'm currently wearing on my eyes. So if you guys want to see how to get this look and how the pigments perform, make sure you keep on watching. So today I have with me Mermaze, Bollywood, and Gatsby. How cute are these little boxes? This one's Mermaze, so of course it has like mermaid scales and it has a little mermaid right there. It's just the cutest thing. Bollywood has like a little belly dancer and it has a gold details and it's just very colorful. It's so pretty as well. Gatsby has their brand logo, which is like this little doll lady and it says peaches and cream, and on the back it has a really cute peach and it says gorgeous loose eyeshadow to bring out your inner peach. Cute. So they come in these tiny little pots. Honestly, I was shocked when I received them because online, from what I had seen, like they look like big jars, but they're so tiny. I'm not sure how much product you actually get inside of these, but I feel like this will last you a really long time. So on the cap, they have like the little doll from their logo, and I'm gonna show you guys some swatches of what these look like. Bollywood's more like a yellow gold. Mermaze is a white pigment, but it has like pink, purple, and blue reflex. And Gatsby is like a champagne gold, but it's so different because when you look at it, it looks kind of grayish, but then when you swatch it, like you can definitely see that it's a champagne gold. So Peaches and Cream is a UK based brand, so you have to pay international shipping, which is so expensive. It's approximately $12.15 and each little tub is approximately $8.89. Some of their pigments do require that you use a glitter base. I think Bollywood and Mermaze require a glitter base. I'm not sure about Gatsby. But honestly, I don't know what kind of look I'm going for today. I want to do something like neutral, but I also want to do something colorful, so I don't know what we're going to do. I'm going to try to use at least 2 of the pigments, and I'm just going to use NYX glitter primer, if anything. Alright, so let's get to it. So I'm going to use my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm going to use this pink shade right here as my transition shade, and no, not this one, sorry, this one, which is a little deeper, and that one's called Hell Ride. Now from this same palette, I'm going to use this brown shade right here called Good Is Gone. We're going to be applying that under the transition shade. Towards the outer corner, I am packing it, but as I get closer to the inner corners of my eye, I'm going to be blending it out. Using windshield wiper motions. So now to deepen up this look even more, we're going to go into this black shade called Jet. Okay, so this black is not performing the way that I would want it to, so I'm going to use a totally different color. I'm going to go into the Artist Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to be using this black shade called Coal, and honestly, they don't even sell this palette anymore. Like, I probably shouldn't even be using it. So just use whatever black you have if you want to recreate this look. Okay, so this is as dark as I want it for right now. If I feel like I need to add any more, we'll do that later on. I am going to be doing a half cut crease, so I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape for that. So now that I have cut both the creases to the best of my ability, I'm going to use this Smashbox Cover Shot Major Metals eye palette, and I'm going to use this bronzy gold shade called Garnet All. I don't know what that means, but I'm going to apply that where we cut the crease. So from the same palette, I think I'm gonna use this cranberry shade, I think. It looks kind of cranberry, right around here. I don't know how I feel about this eye look yet. I'm gonna hope it comes together with the lower lash line and the pigment. We'll see, we'll see. I'm gonna use Gatsby with a concealer brush, and I'm gonna apply that on top of the gold. I'm excited. I've never used pigments before. And I'm not gonna be using a glitter primer for Gatsby because I think Gatsby doesn't need one. I think it's Mermaze and Bollywood that need one. Wow, this is beautiful. I wish you guys could see this in person. So I just did my brush in the pot. Now I'm gonna pat it in. Wow, this is beautiful. And a little bit goes such a long way. Look at that. So this is the eye with it, and this is the eye without it. Now I'm wishing I had a pigment that was cranberry. That is stunning. I lowered the light so you guys could see it. I've seen people use these for nail art. What else? I feel like I've seen them use them for something else, not just makeup. I don't know, but I've seen them on nail art and they look beautiful. And to be completely honest, you guys, these are not as messy as I thought they would be. I only had a little bit of fall and it was like right around here. That's great for loose pigments. That's great. I'm in love so far. I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera and I'll be back to finish off the eyes. Actually, matter of fact, I'm gonna use the, what is this? This is gonna be my first time using this too. This is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. I'm gonna put some, I think, like over here on top of the crease. Ooh. Now we're talking. I told you guys I wanted to incorporate some color into this look, so I'm going to use the NYX retractable pencil in the shade Aqua Green. That liner was not as pigmented as I hoped, so I'm going to use the Rimmel London Scandeleyes eyeshadow stick in the shade Tempting Turquoise. I'm going to apply some black underneath that. I think I'm only going to bring the black till around here. Now I'm going to take the same dark brown we used earlier and I'm going to put that all over the lower lash line. Actually, I'm going to go into this lighter brown and use that underneath instead. Now underneath that, I'm going to use the same color we used as our transition shade. I'm gonna use a little bit of Mermaze as my inner corner highlight. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. I just realized I forgot to use glitter primer. I'm gonna do glitter primer on this side and see if that makes a difference. Wow, you guys, check out the importance of glitter primer. This is the side that has glitter primer and this is the side that does not have any glitter primer. And in my opinion, this side looks more intense. I will say Mermaze had a lot more fallout than Gatsby did. Which was sort of annoying, but I'm not gonna hold it against it because it's such a beautiful pigment. Like, I definitely OD'd, but to be honest, I've never done a look like this and I actually really like it. I'm gonna finish off this look and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. So this is the finished eye look. So for my final thoughts on the peaches and cream pigments, I love them. I know I only used 2 out of the 3, but they're stunning. They're unlike anything I've ever used before. They're incredibly reflective and they sparkle so beautifully. I cannot, like, how is that even possible? So I would definitely recommend them. The only thing I don't like about them is the freaking shipping price, but I mean, I understand it's international shipping, but they are worth it. They are so beautiful and it's gonna take your look to the next level. So I would say try it out, buy one first, and yeah. I would say if you're not a color kind of girl, I would say go for Gatsby first, but Mermaze is stunning. So yeah, in conclusion, I love the pigments. I recommend them, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.